Dave works as ServiceNow admin and wrote a prompt in Claude to get details about ticket and send customer. Claude wrote 3 paragraphs. The customer rejected his email as it's an essay and sent it back. Welcome to episode 1. The 4-part prompt. Dave's prompt had only 3 of the 4 parts, whereas Ravi's had all 4. Ravi got results for same ticket with only 1 click on Claude. Ravi typed role, context, task, format once, and Claude stopped guessing to give accurate details as per the need. Let's look at what came back. The incident details, what actually broke, how it was fixed, and email context was ready to send. No rewrite. No bounce back from customer asking more details. Dave had role, context, and task but missing a key element. Can you identify what it is? Write in comments below. Meantime, Dave's email got bounced again for 3rd time from customer, and this time with escalation. Dave still hasn't got a clue what to send again. The missing part of prompt was format. That's why it keeps bouncing back. He never said how the answer should come back, so Claude gave him an essay. Role says who it is, context gives the facts, task names the job, and format decides what lands in the customer's inbox. We need all these to get accurate results. Which of the 4 were you not aware till today? Tell me below. Now subscribe for next week's breakdown, and send this to whoever writes your tickets with essay type information.